Now that your Wellcare Spendables card is activated, let's talk about how to use it. Log into your secure member portal and select Wellcare Spendables and Rewards. Or sign in through the Wellcare Spendables and Rewards mobile app. Here, you can shop hundreds of approved products online. Choose from trusted brands or generic items, all with free home delivery. Here is where you can check your available balance. Browse eligible products you can buy, like cold and flu medicine, pain relievers, and more. Simply pick what items you want. Add them to your cart and ship them directly to your door. Want to shop in store? You can use your benefit funds at over 60,000 locations, including CVS, Walgreens, and Walmart. Use your secure member portal or mobile app to find eligible stores near you. While shopping in-store, you can scan items using the app to check if they're eligible. At checkout, simply swipe your Wellcare Spendables card. If prompted, select Credit at the point-of-sale terminal. In addition to shopping for over-the-counter items, based on your plan, you may have access to other helpful benefits as well, including dental, vision, and hearing, pest control products and services, home and safety products and services, meal delivery and groceries, help with utility bills, paying for gas at certain gas stations, support with rent, and access to the OnePass Fitness Network. If you're using your benefit for fuel at an eligible gas station, remember, you must pay at the pump, not inside the store. At the pump, select Credit if prompted for a PIN number. Some locations may still require you to enter your PIN. If your purchase didn't go through, don't worry. It might be because your card is not activated. Your card doesn't cover that item. The store you're shopping at isn't approved, or your balance is low. Check your available balance or set your PIN number at any time by logging into your secure member portal and selecting Wellcare Spendables and Rewards, or by using the mobile app. Still have questions? Our member support team is here for you. Just call the number on the back of your Wellcare Spendables card, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. local time, April through September, and 7 days a week, October through March. Thanks for being a Wellcare member. We're here to support your health every step of the way.